As someone who's flipped over 250 homes, I've learned a thing or two about what the best return on investment is for the improvements you do to a home. So for my home sellers, I always recommend these top 3 things. These are the biggest bang for your buck. Number 1, paint your walls white. My favorite white is Whisper by Dunn Edwards. It's not too much of a blue white, it's got a little bit of warmth to it, and I love how it looks in the home. Number 2, flooring. You definitely want to improve your home with flooring. Get rid of carpet. Nobody wants carpet anymore. Bedrooms, some people are okay with it, but a lot of people have allergies and they want no carpet anywhere in the home. So I usually recommend luxury vinyl plank flooring. The price of this particular home was $1.9 million and we still did it over real wood. Why is that? Because kids and pets cannot destroy luxury vinyl plank flooring. You can spill on it, the dog's claws are not going to scratch it. It's really durable and very desirable. And what's the last thing? The light fixtures. This light fixture is brand new. I personally love the black. I think it's a nice contrast against all the other light colors. So I usually choose black, but anything modern and contemporary is really going to update the look of your home and get you the highest purchase price and the most amount of money back in your pocket. For any more questions, just contact me and I'm happy to share any advice and opinions to help you make more money in the sale of your home.